Hello dear friends, in this video we'll begin the review of the maintenance module in WAYL electronic system for maritime companies. This module provides a set of functions that will streamline your work and help efficiently manage maintenance tasks. The interface of the maintenance module consists of the following elements. Reference information, located in the top left corner of the screen. Here you can find a brief overview of the module's operation and functionality. Search bar, displayed directly below the reference information. The search bar allows you to quickly find specific tasks by their name or task number. This is useful if you have a particular task you want to perform or track. Filters, located to the right on the search bar. Filters help refine and display only the desired tasks. This significantly simplifies the search and display of relevant tasks, allowing you to focus only on the necessary actions. Functional buttons. The maintenance module provides functional buttons such as creating new tasks, copying works, adding hours to the work, assigning work as a critical, and generating reports. On the left side of the screen, we see a list of categories with the ability to add or edit them. Task list. The main part of the screen contains a list of tasks that correspond to the selected filters or search results. Here you can view information about each task, such as its name, description, status, priority, and other details. In the next section, we will delve into each function of the maintenance module in more details and explain how to use them. Thanks for watching.